ग्रुप डीत 2 मॅची जिखिल्ल्यान ब्राझील राउंड ऑफ 16 पावपाक ह्या ग्रुपांतल्यान सामके लागीं पावल्या. पोरूं गोंयांत ब्रिक्स कप जिखिल्ले ब्राझील परत एकदा हांगा आयल्यात. सगळें वातावरण खबर आशिल्ल्यान हांगा सेटल जावपाक बरें पडटा अशें कोच कार्लोस आमाडेव म्हणटा.
Important for us because the players and the staff, all of us, we know what we are going to find here in this World Cup. And about the next match, you can expect our maximum strong, our maximum force.
डिफेंडर लुकास हॉल्टर म्हणटा खेळगडे सध्या शुक्रारच्या मॅचीचेर फोकस्ड आसा आनी मुखाल्ले कांयच चिंतना.
Estamos com grandes expectativas, mas com os pés no chão, que ainda não ganhamos nada. Temos mais um jogo importante, amanhã contra a Niger, que definirá o nosso futuro. Mas estamos bem tranquilos, não jogamos responsabilidade nunca para cima de nós. Sabemos que ainda tem um jogo para fechar a primeira fase.
We have great expectations, but with our feet on the floor, because we know that we didn't win anything right now. We had a really important game against Niger this Friday, so this is where our mind is right now, and the responsibility is not that heavy for us right now.
ब्राझील कोचान स्पेन, इंग्लंड, USA आणि पाराग्वेच्या खेळाची तुस्त केली.
Played against many of them. So Spain are playing a really beautiful football, totally organized system of football. England as well, and they also deserved to win the European Championship. They are without 6 players from their starting lineup when they played against Spain. And United States, they have a really strong team, a really strong collective system of football. Paraguay, who I didn't notice in other interviews, but it's a team that we couldn't beat in our qualification, South American qualification, so they have a really strong team too.
इतले मजगती ग्रुप्स इतले इराण आणि कोस्टारिका 5 वरांचेर खेळटले. इराण दोनूय गेमी जिखून राउंड ऑफ 16 पयलींच पावल्या. कोस्टारिकाक मात मोठ्या जैताची गरज आसा. तशें जावनूय जर जर्मनीन गिनीक मारल्यार जर्मनी मुखार पावतले.